Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a kind of like a first impressions video because everything I'm trying out today is brand new. I'm gonna try out the brand new Shaina B MIAMI Eyeshadow palette, which is super cute. And I'm also gonna try out a whole bunch of goodies from Iris Beauty. So these are actually gray contact lenses. And here I have an eyebrow pencil and an eyeliner pencil. And I'm also using a face palette from Shaina B MIAMI and then some setting powder from Beauty Bakery. And obviously you're looking at the finished look right now, so everything ended up being totally Lady Code approved, but let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just set my face all over with the Beauty Bakery setting powder, and it's the cutest thing ever because the bag that it comes in is shaped like a little bag of flour. And once you take it out, this is the actual setting powder. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite Vanity Planet brushes. These are the oval shaped ones, and I just feel like they really pack a lot of powder into them, so it's really good for baking. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of powder. I'm gonna sweep it under my eyes as well as over, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack a little bit all over my face because I do love a nice mattified and set base. So for eyeshadow, I'm going into the Shaina B MIAMI Eyeshadow palette, and I'm obsessed with this palette because the names are really cute. So if you're like a Miami girl, you know the meaning of these names. They have a shade called Hollover Nude. I think that's so cute. So I'm just gonna, keep it really natural because that's what today's tutorial is about. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Winwood. I think that's a really cute color right here. I'm gonna use the same brush and put the color So Deco, which is just like a little bit more mauve-y and purpley. It matches my lips and my wig, so I'm just gonna go with it. And I'm just gonna put it like over that transition. And I'm obsessed with this formula. A couple days ago I tried the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and maybe it was because I didn't use makeup for a really long time, but I was like super impressed with it. But now I'm like having second thoughts about that formula. I was like, you guys, it's so good, but after trying this one, I don't even know. This formula is incredible, and as you can tell, there's like no fallout whatsoever. This will probably be the last color. This is Vice. It's right here. I'm using a little bit more of a narrow brush, but it's still very fluffy. This is the Morphe M5 14 brush. So I'm starting like right on my lash line on the outer corner, and I'm gonna pull it up and over to like right about here where my brow ends. So we're just gonna kind of like lift it, but like in. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take So Deco, which is that taupe color right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it under my eyes along my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm ready to play with shimmers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color. It's called Port Au Princess, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the color Heat. It's just a little bit darker and warmer. So for my finishing touches on my eyes, I'm going to use the Iris Beauty brow pencil and eyeliner pencil. And I'm also going to use some contacts because I know that's like a thing right now. And I'm really excited to try some gray contacts that I'll pop on at the end of this look. But first, I'm going to use the Iris Beauty Ultra Defining Eyeliner. And I just love a good black eyeliner with a super pointy felt tip. Oh my god, I don't know if I used a Sharpie on my face or what, but the pigment and the color payoff is just incredible. Usually when you put a black liquid eyeliner over shimmer shadows without creating like a black eyeshadow base for it, it will like kind of seep through and start absorbing that shimmer shadow. But this is still staying super black and pigmented, as you can see. So this eyeliner is like super Lady Code approved. So my brows are microbladed, but I'm gonna go ahead and touch up my brows with the Iris Beauty Perfecting Eyebrow Brush. So I think this is one of the best eyebrow pencils I've ever used in my life. To highlight my face, I'm going into the Shaina B MIAMI face palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. It's Guava Glow. It's like a really pink highlight. And I'm using this tapered rose gold brush that I got in my BoxyCharm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and feather it like right on my cheeks at the top. And you can see that highlight just putting in work for me. So I want a little bit more color on my cheeks. I'm gonna use this other brush that came in my BoxyCharm. These two came as a set actually right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap some of, let's do Rosa. It's like this pink one right underneath Guava Glow. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap it like kind of where my contour is. I'm gonna put it over it. Okay, so obviously it's not a Lady Code look without lashes, so I will be putting on lashes. But before I do that, I'm gonna put in my gray contacts from Iris Beauty. They are prescription, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now my contacts are on, and I do have to say, out of all of the colored contact companies that I've tried, these Iris Beauty contact lenses are super comfortable, and I'm just being totally honest with you guys. They literally feel like daily contacts, and I have very sensitive eyes, so I do have trouble keeping reusable contacts in, but these ones are pretty good so far. Now to finish off my look, I'm going to use Lisa lashes in the style Bossy, so I'm going to go ahead and pop them on right now, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I didn't like how my wig was falling over my face, so I just clipped it back and kind of just like pulled some of the pieces in the front to like make little like fake baby hairs, and I feel like it just totally tops off the whole look. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I did my base, like my lips and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below because I did use some new brushes that I love. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll go ahead and link all of the key products down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.